Start.
Once again, welcome to all the students. Now, in this session, we will see the how to draw the acceleration diagram for a single slider crank chain mechanism. Now, here we consider the single slider crank chain. Crank OA connecting rod is AB, B is the slider. Now, here we assume that crank OA is rotating with angular velocity omega and angular acceleration alpha. Means here it is crank OA is rotating with changing in the magnitude of angular velocity. That's why it is having angular acceleration alpha. So here first we have to draw the velocity polygon. What is the procedure? First we have to find out velocity of A with respect to O. That is omega OA multiplied by length of link OA. So according to scale, first we have to mark the position of point O. Then we know that here crank OA point is moving in circular path. So here this is the direction of velocity vector V, which is perpendicular to link OA. So draw the vector from point O to A, which represent velocity of A with respect to O. Then velocity of B with respect to A. So that velocity vector is perpendicular to link AB. So draw that vector from point A. Then velocity of slider B. So we know that movement of the slider which is along the horizontal direction. So that line of stroke, it is along the horizontal direction. So draw the horizontal line from point O. So point of intersection of these two vector, that is point B. So vector AB represent velocity of B with respect to A, and vector OB represent velocity of slider B. So this is the velocity diagram or velocity polygon. Next, that is acceleration diagram. So here what we assume that link OA which rotates with angular velocity omega and also angular acceleration alpha. So first we have to find out radial component of acceleration of A with respect to O. So that is velocity of A with respect to O, its square divided by length of link OA. Now here direction is towards the center, that is point O. So mark the position of point O dash and draw the vector parallel to link OA. So that is O dash X. So which represent radial component of acceleration of A with respect to O. Then again this link which is having another component of acceleration, that is tangential component of acceleration of A with respect to O, that is link OA multiplied by alpha. Then draw the vector from point X, that is that vector should be perpendicular to radial component. So XA dash represent tangential component of acceleration of A with respect to O. So join O dash A dash which represent total acceleration of A with respect to O. Okay. Then next here, that is acceleration of B with respect to A. So first we have to find out radial component of acceleration of B with respect to A. That is velocity of B with respect to A, its square divided by length of link AB. So velocity of B with respect to A, this value will get from velocity polygon from this vector AB and divided by length of link AB. Then its direction is towards the center, that is towards the point A. So draw the vector from point A dash Y, which represent radial component of acceleration. This vector is parallel to link AB. Radial component of acceleration of B with respect to radial component of acceleration of B with respect to A. Then draw the vector tangential which is perpendicular to this radial component of acceleration. We don't know its magnitude, but we know its only direction. Then last, acceleration of slider B. When any body moving along the straight path, so it has only linear acceleration. It doesn't have radial component of acceleration. So draw the horizontal line from point O dash. So it intersect with the vector which has been drawn from point Y. So this point of intersection is point B dash. So YB dash represent tangential component of acceleration of B with respect to A. So A dash B dash represent total acceleration of B with respect to A. Total acceleration of B with respect to A. And O dash represent linear acceleration of slider B. So this diagram is called as acceleration polygon for single slider crankchain. So from this diagram, so we have to just measure the length of the vector and multiply by scale, we will get the radial component of acceleration and tangential component of acceleration of each linkage of the mechanism. So thank you very much.